Hey guys, today I'm making a smoothie with, as you can see, huge aloe veras. These are just nice aloe veras which grow lovely in Malindi. So we have those two aloe veras. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove these spiky parts. Put the whole thing with the green part as well. I'm going to put 2 bananas. And then I'm going to put half of this, the dates and a little ginger. I normally like a lot of ginger, but yeah, I'm lazy people. So we're going to make these. I'll just sample it and show you. As you can see, I've removed the sides and I've just put them there, as you can see, just with a knife. Just take the knife and you scrape it slowly on the sides. And I can't be able to show you since I'm holding my phone. As you can see, these are the aloe veras. Just chop those 2 aloe veras and put them in the blender. Then I'm going to put that, half of it, and the 2 bananas. Okay, I've decided to put all of it because I think the aloe vera might be bitter. It has been a while since I took aloe vera. So yes, let's blend and see how it will look. Oh, let me put some Irish moss. There it is. Don't put so much, that's enough. And I'll blend. There is the aloe vera smoothie, people. Oh, it's a nice consistency. There it is, my perps, more perps. Alright, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Subscribe for more recipes if you like. That's it. Bye.